So hello guys, welcome back to Gari Tech Interior Design. As you can see here, this is a 4-bedroom, is a mega 4-bedroom mansionette, as like you see. So we toured here like 2 weeks ago. We didn't have this painting work that you see over here. It was just a first coat only, and then I will maybe show you on the video how it was 2 weeks before. So but now at least we have done. And then, so as you continue, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, comment. And if you have any burning issue or any comment, you can just link us. Our number is on above. We can just communicate through that number or even email. So this is our we are in the backyard of our house. As you can see, this is the kitchen. The kitchen that you see over there, that is the door for the window and the door for the kitchen. And then here, this is the chilling point that you see. This is the balcony that is over here, that whoever will be maybe in the kitchen, you can come and chill just over here. And then as you can see, we just went to this beautiful, as you can see, we have installed here this molding work. We painted, I think this color, I think it's dark black or something that you see over there. Then we have already painted, and then even our upper part we have already done. So there are 3 molding that you see. So the first one is, as you can see, is over there, and the second one and the third one it's over here. And then here, like you see here, even though we have not yet done our tiling, but I think we are just we're on the process of installing. We are just on the process of installing our tiling over here. So I think in maybe either tomorrow or the other day, we'll come and then install here our tiling process. And then so I will let you towards our main house, and then I will see. So even come and show them over here. We have already done a wall master, so you can just kindly show them over here. This is a wall master that you see over here. We've done it, and then there's a paint that we've already painted there. And then this is the corner designs that we went all with it. And then as you can see, we've painted at least a little bit color, a separate color. So here we'll paint a different color so as to have maybe like a change over there. And then as you can see, this is our beautiful window. This window is the one that communicates with our sitting room. So as you can see, even with our picture, it's quite much big enough so as to have a light circulation on our entire project. And then that you see, like you see over here, this is the grilling system that the owner chose to go with it. So, and then later we'll come and then install the sliding window over here. So I will let you towards the main entrance. The main entrance for this house, and then I will show you how amazing it is. So as you can see over there, so this is the beautiful entrance that is over here. Even though here we've not yet done our tiling system, but I show you. So this is a circle. It's a little bit much complicated, so we must have a proper way to install it. So we just went with the other, like the flat room, the normal tiling design that you see over there, and then the later he will come and then finish the other one. So as you can see, this is the front part of our house. It's a 4-bedroom house. 2 bedroom are en suite. The other 2 bedroom they share a toilet, but that toilet is not inside our house. It's outside our house. So that is the I think that is the little bit difference between the other project that we always have. So as you can see, here we have this molding work that you see here. There are 6 pillars, as you can see. So there are 2 at other, 2 on the other parts, and then there are 2 up to the center of our house, as you can see over here. Then as you can see, this them like come and show them our tiling system that we chose. We go with the owner went with our tiling system is like a little bit yellow and some whitish with some cream in it, like you see over there. And then here we have a second window for our sitting room, and then as always we provide a double socket that will on our balcony over there, so if you have boardings out inside the house, you can come and chill over there. And then our upper part, as you can see, we have installed our ceiling design. So as you can see, we just go with a simple design, a normal simple design that you see over there. So later we'll come and install there our electrical system, lighting point that you see. So and then here we have this amazing door. This is an imported Chinese door that you see over here. So the owner decided to have this door. Maybe he has his own reason, but I think towards if you see the project like it requires a little bit something expensive like this. So as you can see, this is a Chinese door. It have some many locking system, and then even the key, there are so many. So the advantage of this door is give you a total maximum, let's say like security. If you have closed, no one can access this door after you have closed. In whichever way, not unless if you have the key, yes, but if not doesn't have, there's no way that you can enter towards this door. So I will welcome you inside, and then I show you how amazing features that we have done over here. So that is, if you see here, this is the arc that leads us towards our, let's say like our sitting room that you see over here. And then this is the corridor design that we went with. So as you can see, it's a normal, but so we just went with this simple design. So the owner decided to choose that ceiling design that you see over there. And then there are wall brackets on over here. So that is the first wall bracket that is over there, and then the other one, it's on the other end over there. So I will let you inside towards this. I will let you inside towards this sitting room that you see over here. So we have already painted our paints. So the only thing that is remaining, I think, it's only electrical part, interior part, and then maybe fixing our sliding window that you see over here. And then, as you can see, the upper part of our design, as you can see, there are two partitions that you see over there. So that is the simple design that we went with over this amazing project that you see over there. And then later they will install lighting system. I think either tomorrow or like 2 days coming, I'll show you when we have finished the entire electrical process. And then as you can see here, this is the provision for the TV, and then the antenna, and then this for internet. We have already provided the provision earlier enough. And then this is another double socket that is over here, that maybe you want to charge your phone, you will have it. And then over here, as always, we provide provision for the air condition that you see over here. And then there's another double socket that is over here. And then this is the provision for air condition. So that is the place for copper tubes, and the other one is outlet for the power. And then this is the wall bracket. So there are 4 wall brackets in this amazing sitting room. So the other one is over there. And then the paint that you see, guys, this is a cream, a pure cream that you see, guys. So this I think this color is the most beautiful and attractive when it's come to building the cream wine. So, and then as you can see here, this is the provision for our lighting that will be installed there. already the electrical work is ongoing, that you see our cable that they have laid over there. And then this is our dining. Like you see, this is the main door that leads us towards our dining. The molding work we have done, it's so beautiful. But I think this molding work will come and then paint a different paint with this one. So this one we have we have not yet decided, but we'll decide later with the owner, so as to have at least a little bit something that made me rhyme with this cream white in color. And then as you can see here, this is our bucket that I've used for our painting work, and then they have remained over there. So I will welcome you to this amazing sitting room that is over here. It's quite much spacious, even though it's not that big, but this one, we consider this one but just enough for our provision for this dining room. As you can see, the painting are the same design. So the paint work, the whole walls for this house, it screams inside, but the other side are different with this one. As you can see, this is the wall bracket that is over here. There are 3. So the first one will be over there, the second that will be over there, and the third one will be over there. And then here we have this a double socket, maybe like you can use like a fridge. You can come and put here, let's say like a fridge over here, maybe to have like something, maybe cold water, or maybe whichever way you will be using. And then our interior part, as you can see, the ceiling design, we just went with the simple, but like you see over there, it's just quite simple. But I think I would like you to just remain tuned on this channel, so I will show you after we have completed our electrical part. Guys, I promise you that this thing will be just amazing, guys. We have a plan, so that plan we are working on it. I will never let you down. When I have finished the electrical work, I'll have a full house tour, and then maybe that after there I will come and then give you a budget of this whole entire 4-bedroom house together with the kitchen, the dining, and the sitting room. So I will let you to the other before bedrooms and then kitchen, and then the other kitchen that is over here. So guys, this is the first bedroom, but you see, so there's a little bit complication when it comes to opening this. So the fundi did not, I think he did not finish to install this door, but I will call it and then come and fix it. And then as you can see, this is like of same design like of the one on the main let's say on the main, but this one is specifically for inside our house. So this is the second bedroom. So the first bedroom, I will not yet be able to show you how it look like, but later after they are finished, I will come and show you how is it. So as you can see, this is the door that leads us towards this amazing second bedroom of our side. As you can see, it's an imported door. So here, as I recording this video, we are in Kenya, Africa. So guys, as you can see, this is the second bedroom that is over here. It's quite much spacious. It accommodates like even 4 beds or 3 beds, maybe whichever way you want. But if you have maybe like maybe a space, you can just have your single bed over here, and then you can have chill on. And then as you can see, this is the provision for the strapping, and then as always a double socket on maybe if you have maybe a side lamp on your bed, you have already provided provided a double socket over here. And then on this other end, there's a small partition that you see over here. So this partition was majorly built to have to hold our I've forgotten our wardrobes. So our wardrobes will be running from this partition up to this end. So this partition is quite big. Our wardrobe is just big so as to have our client to just have maybe a storage capacity for his own clothes or even his own anything when he's inside our house. And then that is another second socket on this house. And then as you can see, this is the door, this is the window that is over this side, like you see over here. And then the grilling system is of same design, all and entire. And then on our upper part, like you see, this is we just go with the simple design. So as you can see, we just have a drop and then like this is like an octagon, something like octagon or that you see over there. So that's one we went with it, like you see over there. So I will come then to our master bedroom, and then later to the other bedroom, and then kitchen I think will be over our amazing window. So this is the partition that separates what this is the sitting the main bedroom, and then this one is like the other third bedroom. So come inside and then I show you how our third bedroom is look like. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, guys. So this is the window, this is the door that we will be using our the one will be, whoever will be inside this house will be using that door. And then as always, we have provided a socket there, and so the purpose of providing this socket was we have a plan that will come and then just in a table, a working table, like maybe like a study table that will be over here. So we have provided a double socket that is over here. If you have maybe a phone or maybe you want to charge your laptop, your desktop will be have provision for the power already over there. And then here, even this is the partition for this bedroom, but this partition is not like just much big like the other one for the second bedroom. This one is just quite small, but like it's not they have no difference, but it's just a little bit small measurements that is exceeding with the other one. So like you see, and then the grilling system, as always, it was of same design, but I think we are on the process of installing our sliding window. The second window is on over this side, like you see. And then as usual, we always install a strapper. Guys, I think up to now, if you have my follower, I think you know the meaning of what a strapper. This strapper works like maybe you have come from the main door, you want to sleep. There's no need to come and then there's no need to go back and then you put off your light. So this one will be, if you have a sleep, you can put it off while you are here. No need to go back to the main door to have switch off your lighting system while you are asleep. And then as usual, there's a double socket over there, and then this is provision for the how do you call it? This is the provision for an air condition that you see over there. And then this third bedroom, it is an en-suite. So as you can see, this is the second. This is the second, the third bedroom, but this is en-suite. So this is the first toilet on this amazing third bedroom that you see over here. But even though it's not yet much big, but you see we have just done it. And then if you see, we are now dining our how do you call it? This is our plumbing work is on progress. I think we will not have much conversation on this, because I will maybe later we'll come after we have finished. I will come and show you how amazing it is. So I will let you towards this master bedroom, guys, that you see over here. So this is the master bedroom, guys, that you see. It's quite much big enough. It's like It's like maybe it's like a sitting room. This one is quite much big, and then even the windows that as compared same the measurement with the sitting room. So like you see, it's quite just from this up to this end that you see over there. Also there are three, there are two. So the second one is just over here, and then even the ceiling design that you see we've already done. So this the ceiling design is just even the simple, but I think it's worth towards this side. So it's just simple, but I wish, but the thing that is here, like now if you see here, this is not giving, but after you have finished installing our electrical design lighting system, you will have just just a taste of this house. So like you see over, and then this is the partition for the wardrobe. So guys, our wardrobe will be running from this this partition, going all over this end. It's like almost like 10 feet, guys. Our wardrobe will be like 10 feet, like you see over there. And then this is the, I will show you this is like a dressing room that is over here. So this is our dressing room, but you see we have just done our molding work that you have over here, so as to just have a little bit taste. And then as you can see, come and show them our toilet. Even though we have the plumbing is still ongoing, but I will just show you how it is. So this is the provision for our plumbing that will be over here, but this will be our cubicle shower that will be installed over this amazing toilet, master bedroom toilet that you see over there. And then even here, this there, I think here we'll be having another shower that will be installed over there. And then that is the partition that will be used for our toilet, the waste for our toilet. So guys, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, comment. So I will just let you towards our kitchen, and then I think I will be just ending our video. So guys, this is our kitchen, and then this is the stove that you see over there. So this will be our stove. And then the kitchen, guys, as you can see, it's over here. It's just quite amazing. I think our worktop we have not yet done, but we'll be done using our MDF board that will be used to separate, to make our worktop that will be running from there, coming all over here, and then we'll be stopping over here. And then up here we have a provision for the cooker that will become and then installed here to be laid just over there. And then this is the double socket that will be used on this worktop. So as maybe you have anything like you used on a worktop, we have already provided a provision for the power already there. And then even the provision for another second fridge on the key on this house is over here. So maybe you have maybe vegetable or something perishable, you could have installed here your fridge, so as to use this provision for power. And then this is the serving window, guys. This is the serving window that we'll be using to communicate towards our dining. So guys, I think up to there, I think I've given you a house tour, but I think this was quick, but giving me like let's say like three, let's say like even a week. If you give me like a week, I think I'll be showing you the whole entire house when it's fully completely. But maybe let's say like maybe it will be maybe remaining like some small touches that will be required to maybe to finish. But I think in 1 week we'll be ending this amazing site that you see over here. So guys, if you have maybe a project you want to be built like this a 4-bedroom or even a 3-bedroom, even a 7-bedroom, whichever maybe whichever design that you want, you can just link us, we can just communicate if possible. And then even if you are in abroad like Saudi Arabia or somewhere, and then you want to have that ambition to build your house, you can just consult us, we can just build for you. So we even if you want maybe a surety, we can give you before we start building for yourself. So guys, as you can see, I think we have finished. We are coming towards the end of our video. So our numbers are on our bio, even our email. So maybe our contact trace, all of them are on our video. So guys, thank you for your support up to that part. So let's meet on the next video, God willing. This 2 weeks ago, we were not yet available for this site. So, but I think now I can show you how amazing it was. But before we go, we have done only just a little bit interior work. It was only gypsum installation that was still ongoing. But so far now, they have already done the gypsum work, even the painting, and then they have done paint work, the first coat on the outside, on the inner side of the house. So as you can see, so I will take you the whole house tour, and then I show you how amazing features that we have done, and then the interior, in the interior part, and then even the exterior, and then I show you how amazing this project is still ongoing. So if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. And then thanks to, we are almost road to 1,000 or to 5,000, so kindly subscribe. So as you can see here, we are on this back. This is like our kitchen. This is like our kitchen, the veranda for our kitchen. As you can see, we have done this. This is the provision for that, for tilings. They will put their tiles at the, maybe after they have completed the site. But as you can see, we have already done plastering on this outer part. As you can see, we consider this round, always a round that look that at least looks and very neat work, as you can see. So after there, the fundi for tiling will come and then do tilings over there. And then as you can see here, they have 3 pillars that is on this our kitchen, our porch for this kitchen. As you can see, we consider the round one, so that I think the round one is always amazing. So as you can see, there are 3. So as you can see, the first one is over there, the second one, and the third one is just over there. And then as you can see at this upper part, they have also done some amazing work. And then even here, so they'll come and then they'll paint here, some paints over here. I think there will be different colors, but we have not yet decided the color for this, but we will just decide later. And then even here, we'll put some paint over there. So I'll take you to the front part, and then as we enter towards inside this house. And then, so as you can see, this is the window that communicates with the sitting room. So and then this is like a small gold that will be, I think they will put here tiles at the end of the day. So this is our front house view. As you can see, this is like our front view. And then as you can see, the tiling we just did of the same as the one that are in the kitchen. And then as you can see, we considered we just go in with there are 6 pillars. So the first one, each two are at the end, and then there are 2 at middle of this amazing project. So as you can see, how are they? So as you can see, if you maybe want some fundi for this kind of this work, you can just link. We can just link with you, so as to maybe you can maybe do the work like this for your site, even if you have a site. So as you can see, we are this is the front patch. This is like a veranda. So there is just quite a small one, but at least it's wide range. So due to some the housing design that we went with. So as I told you earlier, this is a 4-bedroom house. So I will take you inside and then I show you. So this veranda is like an L shape. So this come like this one, and then there's a small L that is over here. And then as you can see here, so I think there's some difference here. As you can see, we have not yet installed the door. So now we considered to import those doors. So they are called the Chinese door. we have imported, but this not yet arrived in Kenya, but we are just still going the project. So when it will be arrived in Kenya, we'll come and then collect it, and then we'll come install it. So we have not yet installed it so far up to this point. So I will let you inside and then I show you. And then even you are outside, as you can see the gypsum ceiling. You can come and show them the gypsum ceiling that we have installed. So we just go with this and a symbol design that is over there. As you can see, we have already even painted white, and then we have already done skimming. So the only, I think on this, the only thing that is remaining upward is only electrical work only. So and then, so I will take you inside and then I show you how amazing it is. So as you can see, this is our corridor. As you can see, it's just a short one. So on the other project, they were at least an L shape. So it was just a big one. So we just consider to have this a symbol, a design for bedroom. So as you can see, this is the first bedroom. The second one is just over there, and that arc they separates between two master bedroom. The first one is there, and the second one, and the other one, the other door that is over there, that is a kitchen. So I will let you inside and then show you this. So as you can see, this is our sitting room. So as you can see, the arc that leads us towards this master bedroom. As you can see, we have only painted the first coat only. So the first coat that is over here, guys, as you can see, is just quite amazing. So at later we'll come and then we'll just paint over here, and then out up to this, and so it will be a different color with the entire house of this amazing project. So as you can see, we are on a sitting room, guys. So this one, it has a sitting room. So the video that I posted yesterday, it was of this same house design, but it didn't have a dining. But this one, we consider to have a dining inside this house. So as you can see, this is the sitting room, guys. As you can see, I think, and then this is someone who commented that at least we have a bigger window. So as you can see, this, guys, this I think we have extended a little bit, at least some inches. At least it is quite spacious as compared to the other videos that we always posted. So we considered your views. So as I told you earlier, maybe if you comment something that maybe you see on the video, we can have it, and then we can just go with your comment, maybe your thoughts. So as you can see, there's a viewer who just suggested to have at least a wider window. So as you can see, this is a wider window as compared to the other one we always have. And then as you can see, this partition, this thing that you are seeing here, so our TV will be installed over here. So as you can see, this is the provision for TV. We will install here a socket, and then this will be an antenna, TV antenna. And then this one will be, let's say, like an internet. So maybe your TV, you don't want to connect with the wireless, you can have your wired internet that will be over here. And then there's another double socket that will be over here. So I think we have not yet, the thing is remaining here, we have not yet communicated, but we'll come and install here a TV stand that will be just quite huge, that bring a picture of this house very well. And then as you can see, we have done just a skimming. So we didn't just paint a first coat. This is some part that we did first coat, but I think this one we just we're done a skimming, so as to have a smooth housing design. So and then you can show them at the upper part. So as you can see, this is the ceiling design that we consider to put here on this project. So as you can see, there's two partitions that is over here for this side for sitting. So as you can see, the first one is there and the second one is there. So as you can see now, as you at least even see, it's now bringing that picture of a house, but we have not yet done the electrical work. So I will I will argue to stay tuned until the end of the project, and then you will see how amazing features that will be done over here. So there will be electrical work that will be installed here, but we are still ongoing a little bit, so it's just slow, but we just sure, and then we don't want to just be quite a hurry, and then we have spoiled our housing design or our future plan that we done with this house. So as you can see, we have always provided there's a how do you call it? There's this wall bracket, so there will be a window of 4 wall bracket that will be installed on this entire sitting room. So I will show you in the video that maybe after the electrical work that it has completely done, and then we have provided there a provision for the air condition, so as to avoid maybe you have finished installing your house and then the fundi for AIC for the air condition comes and just dismantling this wall. So and then it will just bring a bad picture. So we have already provided a provision for air condition. So the technician that will come to install will come and then just install there a wall air condition without any breakage for this side. So as you can see, so I will let you in this is the dining room. As you can see, the dining room is just of same size. Is the arc. I think the arc is different in the sitting room. So as you can see, this will be for sitting in the dining, and then you see for this sitting is of different. As you can see, the design is of different, but the molding work is just of same size, but the design is just a little bit different with the other one. So as you can see, this one is like hilly. As you can see, how is it? It's just like a mountain as you go up there. And then so I will let you inside this dining room, and then I show you how amazing it is. So as you can see, this dining is quite spacious. I think it can accommodate up to 10 people, not if 10 or 20, depending with the size that you have arranged. You are sitting, you are maybe dining table for this side. I think no matter how you will arrange it. So as you can see, this is the dining. We have considered, we put a 3 wall bracket. So the first one is just over there, and the second one is just over there, and the third one is just over there. And then as you can see, and then even the window is quite spacious, but this one we didn't just done just a bigger one. So if you consider to have a bigger one, so this space will be the wall will be of holes for window. I think this spacing will be that's quite not much enough. So that's we provided this a smaller window, but I think it will be enough for this site. And then we have already installed a socket that is here. So we always go with a double socket. So this double socket, maybe you have a fridge that is over here, you can just have install here for that. Maybe you have one cold water as you eat, you can install it here, and then or you can install it in the kitchen. I will show you the provision, another provision for the fridge. And then if you go upper, as you can see, that is the gypsum design ceiling that we considered to put over this side. As you can see, it's just quite simple. We always go with simple. We don't have to have that much complicated design. So we just go with this simple but beautiful gypsum design, as you can see. So it's just a beam is at the on the end, and then there's a circle, and then there's this small arc that is on this other end. So guys, as you can see, we have already done the paint work at the ceiling. So ceiling we have done. The only thing is remaining is just only like electrical work, but I think maybe in 2 weeks time, I think we'll be almost finishing this side. So I will come and show you how amazing that side, the electrical work that will be done. So I will let you inside this the 4 bedroom and the kitchen. So we have already done with the sitting and the dining. So I will let you to the bedroom, and then later I will just bring you towards the kitchen as we go out on the side. So as you can see, even this door, the whole door that will be installed on this side, they will be imported. We didn't consider to have just these normal doors for wooden. So the whole doors we will be used on this side, they will be imported. So as you can see, we have not yet installed this door, but later we'll come and install it. So guys, if I've reached up to there, guys, I will urge you to just subscribe to this YouTube channel for us, for you to maybe to have this amazing content, and then make sure you click that bell notification, so as maybe I post whenever I post this content, you'll be the first one to be notified. So as you can see, this is the first bedroom. As you can see, we have already done skimming. So skimming, I think if you have noted, if you have maybe you have like a little bit engineering knowledge, you know how skimming, the advantage for the skimming, you know. So advantage of skimming, it will have your house at least neat. It will be, the paintwork will be just neat. There will be not like some small holes on the wall. It will be just neat, completely neat after you have painted your final paint. And then it's always maybe, and then other advantage, it's maybe you have some little bit small cracks. So if you do this skimming, it helps to fill those small cracks that are inside, maybe in the side. So as you can see, the windows are also quite big. As I think we go with the comment for one of our viewers that say we have a big window. So as you can see, there are two. So the first window is over here, and then the second one is just over here. And then the interior design over there at the upper part, as you can see, we just go, and then even a simple one. We didn't, I think, on us, using on this project, we just considered just simple, something that is simple but unique, and then the cheapest. So we didn't go with the most complicated that will be expensive. So we just went with this with this simple design. As you can see, on the even round, there's a drop, and then there's I think, is it an hexagon or octagon? As you can see, that is over there. So there will be some lighting point that will be installed at this center of this that design. And then on this side, as you can see, we have already done a partition for the wardrobes. So as you can see, our wardrobe will run from this up to this end. So we always have to have earlier to have a provision for the wardrobe earlier enough, so as so as you come to fetch the wardrobe, you just install here very neatly, so it will be submerged completely inside this small thing, inside this small partition that is over here. So, and then there will be a double socket that is over there. There's a double socket that is over there, and then there's a strapping, but I think the strapping that will be over here. So I think they'll become, and then they'll come, and then I think they'll find there's a small partition. There's a small switch box that is over here to use for strapping, and then there's a double socket over here. And then, as always, we have provided provision for the air condition that is, as you can see, over there. So I will let you to the second bedroom, and then to the other two master bedroom. So guys, continue subscribing, like, share, comment, anything that you feel is just quite for. And then even this one we have not yet installed. The door, as you can see, as I told you earlier, the reason why we have not yet installed this door are imported, so they have not yet arrived in Kenya. So I'm recording in Kenya. So as you can see, this is the second bedroom. As you can see, it's just of same size with the bedroom that I was inside, the first bedroom that we have recorded earlier. As you can see, of same size. There's nothing different. It's just of same size with the other one. Maybe the window, the other one has two windows, but this one have only a single window. You know the reason why? There's some blockage of these walls that are over there and there, so that we can't install any window on the other end. So as you can see, this will be a partition for strapping, and then there's a double socket that will be here. So as maybe you put here your bed over here, or like over here, you have a position to charge your phone or even your computer over there. And then there's a provision for air condition. As you can see, is over there, and then there's a DP switch that is over here that will be used to switch to power on and off the air condition. And then as you can see, this is the remaining part for the gypsum work, but I think they'll be installing the TV stand later. And then as you can see, this partition will be used for the wardrobe, guys. As you can see, I think this one is quite spacious as compared to the other one. It's just a little bit much bigger as compared to the other one. And then the interior part is just of same size as the one that is as the one that was in the first bedroom, guys, that I showed you earlier on the video. So I will let you to the third bedroom, of which this third bedroom and the fourth bedroom, like you can call it the master bedroom, because they're all en suite. So as you can see, this door lead us towards the the kitchen, and then this arc is the one that I think separate with these two master bedroom that is over here. So I think, and then there's a small partition that is over here, guys. As you can see, this partition is used to partition this between this master bedroom. So as you came from the main door, you can just have a crossover. You want to go to main master bedroom or other master bedroom that is over there. So I let you inside this beautiful master bedroom, and then you see how amazing features that is over here. So as you can see, this is the master bedroom. As you compare to the size with the other bedroom, this one is quite spacious. And then there are two windows, and then as I told you earlier, these windows are so much big, guys. As you can see, this window run from here up to here. I think this one is not quite smaller, but look like this one is just quite big, guys. It runs from this up to this end. So I think this one is the most beautiful thing that I've seen on this side. We considered at least a bigger window, so as to have an easily access for the light on this side. And then at upper part, guys, as you can see, this is how the gypsum ceiling we have installed. It's just quite simple. I think this one, maybe for me, this one is like most complicated, at least a little bit complicated as compared to the other design of this entire house. So as you can see, it's quite amazing, guys. You can comment, you can rate our gypsum design ceiling on the comment down below there. You can comment whenever you feel that is not right, is not quite much maybe is not just beautiful towards you. You can just comment. Maybe one time we'll just have another site, and then you will go with another design. So as you can see, then it has this amazing simple. This is the centerpiece of this. As you can see, there's I forget this, but on the comment section you can just you can just comment how this thing is called. I think is it a rhombus or something over there, so that you have installed over there. There will be a lighting point, so you can consider having a chandelier over there. And then this one, we have just this one is of different. Will be at least different. We always provide only a single strapping on our side, but this we have provided two strapping. So as you can see, we are planning our bed will be just on this, over this wall, over this direction, facing our bed, our wardrobe. So whenever your bed will be over this, there will be two lighting point over here. The first one will be over there, and the second one will be over there, and then there's a socket below there, and then I think there's a double. there's a socket that is over here. So whenever you have, maybe you are, as you can see, these are another double socket that is over here, and then this is another lighting point that is be over here. So maybe I think when you have how do you call it, maybe if you have this side bench light, you have already provided your power on and power off sockets earlier on this side, on this part, this side. And then on the other end, I think this other end here, we will having our wardrobe. So guys, this wardrobe is just big. So this is the provision for the, we'll come and then do our wardrobe, or install our wardrobe over this side. And so this is the partition that separate this one. So our wardrobe will come and then interfere all this, the entire partition that is over there. And then guys, on this other side, guys, this is the I think this is the like another, the owner who suggested to have this on this bedroom. So as you can see, this design is of same size, of the same design as the one that we designed on the, how do you call it, on the dining. So as you can see, is of the same design. Even this molding work is of the same size design as the other one. So I will come and then have you, this is like a small dressing room that will be, or a small meeting point that is over there, over here. So as you can see, this is a small, as like a smaller dressing room. So I think we'll have our a small a mirror that will be over, will be both sides over this one, and then other partition, and then on the other side there will be a mirror that will be over here. So this is like will be our dressing room. And then this is the toilet, guys. As you can see, this is our toilet. Is quite much enough. Is quite big. I think you see this is the window, and then our toilet will be just over here. And then there will be just there's a thing that a shower cup or shower something. The one that you have in the shower that it has some glasses. So we'll come and install that. Is it a shower bath or something? There's a name there, but I've forgotten. So they will come and then install that. This partition, as you can see, the whole this will be installed over here. That bathing that we think, is it a shower bath or a shower? Something that will come and then install over here that have glasses on the as we conclude our side. So I'll let you to the other master bedroom, but it's just as small as compared to the other one. So this is another master bedroom, guys. As you can see, it's just spacious. It's, as you compare to the first bedroom and the other bedroom, this one is at least bigger, but it's not same size with the master bedroom. So as you can see, this is the entire house. As you can see, this is the wall, this is the window. So there are two windows. So there, as you can see, the first one is there, and the fourth and the second one is just over here. And then, guys, we had some an argument with this over this. So there's someone who want this how do you go to have our wedding design for this this thing. So we just told him to just make one like a sample and then come install it here. So as you can see, you will be the way you will rate this thing is the one. Do you agree to have him install the entire house with of this same thing, or we change it? So, but on my own side, I think it's not quite. As you can see, the design is not giving as compared to this side. But you can rate this thing over on the comment section, and then I think we'll have a little bit discussion, and then we'll just change it. And then this is the partition for our wardrobe. So our wardrobe will be installed just over here. And then on the ceiling, we just did a simple ceiling design. As you can see, it's just simple, quite simple, so we didn't just go with a complication design. We just go, so we just did this, as you can see. So our lighting fixture will come and then submerge on this entire, as you can see, this is like a hole that is over there. So our lighting point will be just installed at the center of that. So, and then on this other end we have our toilet that is over here. So this is the second toilet that will be over the second toilet for this side. So as you can see, it's just quite spacious, but as compared to the other one, this one is not just much big, but the other one was big due to it was a master bedroom. And then there's another thing that I didn't told you on the video. This side, it doesn't have a public toilet inside this inside this house. So we'll install a toilet outside the door. So maybe you have a visitor or someone will access the toilet outside this entire building. So he will not have access to maybe these other two toilet that is over here. We'll build another toilet outside this room. So I'll let you to the kitchen, and then later I will show you the exterior part, a small exterior part. So as you can see, this is the kitchen, guys. Then this is our small store, the store that will be used for this kitchen. As you can see, it's just quite spacious. It's just small, but will be enough for this entire side. So as you can see, this is the kitchen. As you can see, we did just even a simple design, ceiling design. As you can see, guys, the other one we always provide a snake light, but this one we didn't provide snake light. If you are an engineer, you know the reason why we didn't provide a snake light over here. And then on this other end, this will be like our working top that will be over here. So we'll install here a working top that will be used MDF boards only. So our working top will be running from this from here going up to there, and then I think will be almost over here. So this one, when it reaches here, there will be a cooker that will be installed over here. And then, as always, we provided 2 double sockets on the upper part for this working table to have at least when you are doing your work, you can have simply many provision for maybe you have a how do you call it, a blender, anything that you need to work to power on while you're working, you can just have it over there. And then this is another provision that I told you. This is another provision for the fridge. If you have a fridge, maybe you can just come and install it here. Maybe you have like your vegetable or something. You can just place it here, and then you'll be using this circuit that is over here. So I will let you outside on this amazing feature. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and then you'll be notified whenever I post this amazing video all through. So this I will show you. These are like so I think we have started with this side. So this is a small veranda that will be used with when you come from this kitchen. I think we'll be using this small partition to just chill out over here. So guys, I think we'll stop over there. Okay, you will just have a little bit a view at exterior part, as you can see. So I think I've shown you earlier these pillars on the video at the first. After the first, I think I show you it both, and then this is another partition that will be used here to be placing, that will be placed. How do you call it? The tiles that will come, and then maybe we will install with our fundi maybe later at the end of this side. So I think up to there we'll end our video. Guys, consider subscribing, share, comment whenever you think, and then share. Then if maybe you have a project, you can just consult it. You can just have a communication. Our number is on this, on their bio. Even our email is just over there. You can reach us, contact us. Anything you have to maybe a question, we can just answer you. So let's meet on the next video. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Gary Tech Interior Design. So here, so thank you for the support you are giving unto me. I think now we are at 1,200 subscribers. So if you are a new subscriber, consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much. And then according to my analysis, I have saw that most of my subscribers you don't watch my videos, and then the most percentage of my views, they come from the ones that have not yet subscribed. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe for you to get to be always updated when I upload a new content from this YouTube channel. So consider subscribing. So as you can see here, we have this amazing project. Is a 4-bedroom house, and then the 4-bedroom house, a dining, a kitchen, and a sitting room. So 2 bedrooms, they are in suite. Is a master bedroom and another bedroom, and then the other bedroom, they are not in suite. So the other bedroom, they share a toilet that will be built outside, so it doesn't have any inside a toilet. Let's say like a visitor's toilet inside this house. So it's just 2 toilets inside, and then both of them, they serve 2 bedroom, and then there is a kitchen, a dining, and a sitting lounge. So as you can see here, we are at the backyard of the house. So this is the entrance that lead us towards the kitchen. As you can see, we've already constructed. We are, let's say we are on molding stage. So as you can see, there's this molding that process that is still ongoing. So we have done these 3 pillars. As you can see, the first one is there, and the second one and the third one is over there. So these some pillars we choose that they want to be round, so we didn't use that one for the, let's say, for circle, but we choose a rectangular, but we choose over this round one. So this is the way path that lead us towards the kitchen, and then that is our bedroom, and then this window, it's just for our dining room, and this other one, it's for our for the sitting lounge. So as you can see, this is the area for this is the size of the plot. I think it's at 100 by 100. As you can see, this amazing project sits on a land that is 100 by 100. So let me take you in front, the front yard of our house, and then I show you the empty house tour for the process that so far we have reached. So as you can see, here is the front yard of this amazing project. So the owner, we decided to have just 6 pillars, as you can see. So we have constructed here, we have built here a 6 pillars, as you can see. There are two between at both end, and then there are 2 at this center piece. So as you can see, the molding work is still ongoing. As you can see, the fundis are still on construction, as they are still building this molding. So let me take you back. Let me bring you inside, and then I show you the features, and then maybe if you want to build a house, you can consider using our measurements or whichever way. So as you came inside, so this is our door. The door is not yet installed, so we are on the maybe in 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time we'll be installing this door for this project. So this is our pathway. This is our small corridor. As you can see, the funders are still installing gypsum. Interior design. They are still doing interior designing for this corridor. And then, so this is our bed, our sitting room. As you can see, this, so it's so big. It has 2 windows. As you can see, these windows that are big, that's so much big. So there's first one there, and the second one is just over here. And then, as you can see, at our upper part, we have already installed our gypsum. As you can see, this is the simplest design that we choose to go with. So as you can see, they seem to be like two partitions. So this is the first one, and the second one over there. So there's still ongoing process for the installation for that gypsum. So and then if you come back here, as you can see, this small holes over there, that's for TV. So will be so after the I think the interior work has been completed. We'll come and then install here our sockets for TV, and then this for aerial outlet, and then maybe this will be for internet, and then here we'll provide maybe a socket. Whenever if you have a TV stand there, you can use this as your maybe charging for the phone or whichever parts, and then we have already provided here a provision for air conditions. As you can see, that's quite communicate from the outside of the house. And then there are wall brackets there. So as you can see, this is the first wall bracket over there. The second one is just over there. The third one and the first one is just at that corner over there. So let me take you to the dining room, and then as you can see, this is our. So we didn't go with that design we always choose here, but maybe we will go with it, but we'll have a negotiation with the owner of the house. So as you can see, the design that we have done up to want this door. So this is our bedroom. This is our dining room. As you can see, it's just small, quite small, but it's just how do you just quite spacious for the maybe for the dining room. So it doesn't need a much bigger room. So as you can see, this is the door, this is the window that I've shown you earlier. And then if you see upside at our up, and then we have already installed our gypsum work. As you can see, we go with this simple design. We did not want to go with those expensive or maybe complicated house design. So we installed we have installed we have put here three wall brackets. So the first one is just over there, the second one over there, and the third one is just up to this corner. And then we always provide a socket for this dining room. Maybe you can have a fridge, or maybe when you come to eat, and then you can plug here your phone or your computer as you eat. So this so let me take you to the bedroom, to the four bedrooms and the kitchen. So sorry for interruption, but uh, so this is, as you can see, this is the door that leads us towards the first bedroom. This is our first bedroom. As you can see, it has two windows. The first one is there, and the second one is just over there. So the good thing with this project is that it has we decided to go with a big window so as to have a maximum the light to be just be here totally. So and then as you can see our upper part, they're still ongoing. So as you can see, they have done a flat up there, and then after they are, maybe tomorrow they'll come and have dress the design over there. So and then this partition will be just for our wardrobe. As you can see, our wardrobe will be running that from this up to this end of this wall. So for the owner of the house, maybe for let's say if the children, so this space is just quite enough for the storage for their clothes or maybe whatever thing they will be needed. So and then let me take you to the second bedroom. So guys, consider subscribing. So this is our second bedroom, and then as you can see, so yeah, sorry for the mess that is here. So this is the maybe let's say the store for the gypsum. So this is the gypsum. Maybe they're still remaining for this project, even though they have not yet complete. but this one is the gypsum that has remained. So as you can see, at the upper part, there's nothing that has been done up to there, but we are open in 2 weeks. In 1 week time, they will be maybe finished this project. So as you can see, and then each and every room we have installed an air condition. So this is the provision for our air condition over there. And then there's this thing, there's a thing over there. So this one will be a socket, a switch for the strapper. Maybe you come from the main door, you can come and switch on or off over there. And then there's a double socket always we provide on each and every room. So the each and every room we propose to have 2 sockets. So and then the other one will be just over there. So this one will be another double socket, and then over there, this is the partition for the that has been left over for the wardrobe. As you can see, it's just the same size as compared to the first bedroom for the first bedroom. So let me take you to the other bedroom. So those 2 bedrooms they are not ensuite, but these other they are ensuite. So let me take you to this bedroom, the third bedroom that is also ensuite. And then so as you can see, this is our bedroom. As you can see, the size is just quite spacious for this project. Then the windows they are always big. So the owner suggests to have a big window. So as you can see, these are the windows. There are two. The first one is just here, and the second one is just over there. And then at our upper part, as you can see, we have the ongoing installation for gypsum. It's still ongoing. So as you can see, they have to draw a flat design for this gypsum. So later they will come and design their own design that the owner that has choose over it. So and then this is our toilet. As you can see, this is our toilet. So this is our toilet. Maybe as you can see, it's just not that much big. As you can see, it's just enough for this project. And then we have installed it here our mirror light. So we are hoping after it has been done, so we'll come and install here our how do you call it, our hand basin over here. And then so even we have not yet installed the ceiling of over this room, but we'll be doing at Airbnb at the end of the end of the day. So there are 2 sockets over there, the first one and the second one. So the plan of these 2 sockets for this here and here. So we are planning to have a worktop, a table over there over here. So this table will be maybe for learning, or if you have a computer, you can come just and chill over there. So these are provision for the maybe if you have a laptop, you don't want to put a socket over here, a charging point over there, and then maybe this thing will be just up to this extent. So you will not need to just stretch your maybe your wire up to there. So we'll have a provision of a socket that will be over there. And then this is the provision for the wardrobe. As you can see, this is the provision for the wardrobe. So it comes from this far up to this end. So as you can see, that is the provision for the our for the wardrobes. And then always we provide a provision for the air condition. As you can see, this over there, and then here there will be a switching point for the strapper and the DP switch for the AC. So then let me take you to the master bedroom, and then I will finish with the kitchen. So and then this is our master bedroom, guys. As you can see, they're still ongoing, so we could have enough space maybe for us to record, but we can just speak while we are just over here. So as you can see, if you look up there, you will see we have already installed the gypsum work. Even the painting work is almost still ongoing. As you can see, this is just quite simple design for this master bedroom. As you can see, it has two windows, and then they are even big as compared to the one in the sitting room. So as you can see, and then I don't know if the cameraman can record up to this extent. So as you can see here, we have this small partition. As you can see upward, it has this some beautiful decor. So here, small partition that you see here will be for our dressing room for this master bedroom. And then at this end, this will be our toilet. So it's just quite spacious as compared to the other one that was on the other side of the room. So as you can see, this is the toilet. As you can see, even if you can just return back and then you compare the size for the other toilet and this compare for comparison, we'll find that this one is just quite much bigger than the other one. So there's some amazing features that we are thinking that we'll put over here, but I will show you when the project is as the project still is as the project that will is still ongoing. So I will be making videos now and then to show you the update for this amazing for this project update for this amazing project. So as you can see, and then if you show them over there, there's a small partition that's a wardrobe. That's so, and then as you can that partition that is over there is run up to that end. So that end will be our for the wardrobe, guys. The wardrobe is just quite big as compared to the other one. So this is maybe like two times as the one for the other bedrooms. And then they have two four wall brackets. So the first one is just over there, and the second one is just here. The fourth one is just the third one is just there, and then the fourth one is just near towards that near that door. And then there's a thing, and then there's a provision for the air condition, guys, after as you can see from that far end. So let me take you to the kitchen, and then I show you and then we maybe finish our vlog. So this is our kitchen. As you come from the door, this is our store. This is just a store that's quite it's just small. It's not that much big. This is our store. So and then so this is our kitchen. As you can see, we have already done electrical provision for PVC conduit piping. So this will be a socket that will be lay up. We will be communicating with the worktop so that our worktop will be coming all over from that and up to here. So there will be socket. This will be maybe intentionally for if you have a free how do you call it? If you have a blender or something else that maybe you need to operate while you are standing, you can just have this in use of this too. And then here is our provision for the cooker. So we are assuming that our worktop will come from all over there, and then it will run up to this end so that we can have our cooker as installed over here. And then this will be our provision for the fridge. So our fridge will come and stand just over this place. So as you can see, we have done with the plastering of this house. So let's go outside, and then so as early as I've shown you earlier in this